Merry Christmas, boys and girls. It's Benny here on Christmas Eve to show you all my small and simple Lego Christmas Winter Village for 2018. Originally I had this all under the tree with the train going around the base on a circular loop, and it looked great. The problem is, with babies and kids around, there's just too much risk that something would end in disaster. Also, when you start stacking the presents, it defeats the purpose. The four main elements here are the train and train station, the toy shop, and the fire station, which looks like it could be any kind of big building really. Before I moved everything from under the tree, I had made up a quick cargo wagon to look like a wrapped up present covered in holly, and then I hid the Power Functions battery hub and train motor for the winter holiday train because I never liked how the official instructions intend us to mess with the look of the train.